Hi, my name is Tatiana, and now I'd like to present you my die activity for first session. It's a temperature converter. I use these formulas to convert degrees from Fahrenheit to Celsius and from Celsius to Fahrenheit. So in my program, I use some variables. At the beginning, I ask what type converter we want to use, and then I ask the temperature. So then I use conditions. If it was all the temperature in Celsius, so I use this formula. Here I calculate new temperature value. In else, I calculate on this formula, and after it I print with format the answer. Now let's see how it works. We want to convert from Celsius to Fahrenheit, so we input C. Now we input temperature, for example 25 degrees, and we have the answer. Now let's see how it works when we convert from Fahrenheit to Celsius. We input F, and we will take the same value, 77, and we see that the answer is the same. That's all. Bye bye.